just so we can see how it's really helpful to keep traffic flowing and to give people a safe space to pull out and make their turns. I'm going to pull into this dedicated turn lane, and I'm going to turn just into this driveway. Hey guys, it's Jacqueline, and today we're going to work on a really specific skill using a center turn lane. Throughout our communities, there are long white stripes that show us that we are not allowed to cross them. There are dotted white lines that give us permission to cross. There are solid yellow lines, which mean be cautious. And there are broken yellow lines, which means this is where you should come over. If there's a double yellow line, of course it means cross only if you absolutely have to with extreme caution. Best not to cross a double yellow line. Right now, what we're going to be thinking about is a special lane that runs up the middle of a busy road that's for left turns. And the idea is, if you lived on a busy road and you needed to turn left into your driveway, it's safer to have you pull to a center left lane so that through traffic can continue going. We don't want the left turn to stop traffic behind them. So let's go out on the road and see what that looks like in practice. And there's a big bus that's coming up behind me, far enough back, of course, that it's okay for me to enter the road. If that bus was right behind me and I wanted to make a left turn, I would not want the bus to have to come to a sudden halt behind me while I was making my turn. So lucky for me, there's these dedicated left turn lanes. I use the left turn lane just like I do any other lane change. I'm not allowed to drive in the left turn lane. It's only used to make the most immediate turn. And pulling into that middle left turn lane got me out of the way of the bus and allowed me to make a safe left turn from a safe space. Let's go around and check that out again. I'm going to turn left here. And I get to see examples of some of those other yellow lines I talked about. The double yellow line on the left of the road here says it's really not a good idea to cross. If I was going to turn into that driveway, I'd be super careful. So we're just going to go back to that same road that has that long dedicated left turn lane, and we're going to practice using it a second time just so we can see how it's really helpful to keep traffic flowing and to give people a safe space to pull out and make their turns. And I can see the dedicated lane to the left and the right. And because it's clear, I can turn and land in my driving lane. I see the white truck behind me. They're turning right, so they're not a part of my world at all, but I'm just aware of who's always coming up behind me. I see the Jeep ahead of me. And I see the dedicated turn lane all the way over. I'm going to pull into this dedicated turn lane, and I'm going to turn just into this driveway. And I'm being extra cautious, making sure that it's safe. And this is my friend's driveway. We wouldn't accidentally just go into somebody's driveway if we didn't know them. But that is an example of how we use the turn lane to safely enter a driveway in a space where there could be a lot of traffic. Sometimes we all just need a safe space to land before we make our next maneuver. And that's what this center yellow line does for us. So let's say I want to make the next left turn. I'm going to wait until I approach my road. I see the green sign up there. I'm going to signal and enter my dedicated left turn lane. And then from the safety of this spot, I'm going to continue my turn. Remember, the middle lane is not a driving lane. The rule books say you're only allowed to be in the dedicated left turn lane for 200 feet. And in practice, I just want you to remember that you should enter and exit the lane in the shortest amount of time possible. So for example, if you're turning on a road, you're going to enter into the dedicated turn lane just before the road. And if you're turning into a driveway, you're going to turn into the dedicated lane just before the driveway. A bad mistake that sometimes drivers make is if they're in a rush and traffic in one lane is slow, they might decide to use the dedicated left turn lane as a driving lane. And just remember, you're not allowed to do that. And by pulling over into this dedicated left turn lane, the car on the right gets to pass on their throughway. I can pause and yield to oncoming traffic and then continue on my way without disturbing anybody. So I hope you have a little bit better of a sense of how to use the dedicated left turn lane. Remember, the rule book says you're only allowed to be in the lane for up to 200 feet, but in practice, you want to use the lane for as short a time as possible. So you enter in before the driveway you're planning to turn into or before the street that you're planning to turn on. Entering into the dedicated left turn lane counts as a lane change. So of course you're going to use your turn signal and check your mirror and blind spot. And more than anything, just remember, no matter how much of a rush you're in, you are never going to drive in a dedicated turn lane because that is a safe space for people to land before they make their turns. It's not a driving lane. Thanks for checking in today to learn a little bit more about what that middle yellow lane is for. And from now on, you will always know that it is your dedicated left turn lane and you'll use it safely. Have a great day and thanks for stopping in. Bye.